Alright guys, in order to start a car with a bad fuel pump, we're gonna need this tool. Then add fuel. Close this. Alright, so we're just gonna add some pressure here. I believe you have to set it up for 40 to 50 psi. Now you can disconnect this. We have at least 70 psi. Put this in. There you go. Open the valve. This one's supposed to be at least 70 psi as well. Fuel is empty, but the customer says he added like at least $30. Alright guys, we made it in. So this is how you run an engine with a bad fuel pump.